Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to check your graphics card details in your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is come down below right here where you have your startup menu. Right click on it and then go ahead and click on run. And this dialog box here is going to pop up right here. So what you want to do right here is to type in DI. So what you need to do is to type in DXDIAG, then go ahead and hit on OK. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and then make sure you come to the top right here where you have display. Go ahead and click on display. Then name right here itel R HD graphics 5500. However, your home figure might be different and your graphics card company might be different. But as far as this particular PC is concerned, I'm using itel R HD graphics 5500. It's that simple. So this is how to know the graphics type or graphics card detail of your Windows PC. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.